आगे चलते हैं और आपको लद्दाख की महिलाओं की आत्मनिर्भरता का एक और उदाहरण दिखाते हैं। वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट सेंटर, जो कि लद्दाख की स्थानीय महिलाओं को स्किल भी प्रोवाइड करता है और उससे आमदनी कमाने का जरिया भी बनाता है। इस सेंटर के जरिए लद्दाख की महिला आज घर के काम के साथ एंटरप्रेन्योर बनकर खुद कमाने भी लगी हैं। चलिए सुनते हैं कि इस सेंटर को सुपरवाइज करने वाली इन आर्मी वाइफ का क्या कहना है।
What Indian Army does is that we have women empowerment centers under Ops Sadbhavna, and we have it in almost all the places, especially in the field areas. So what exactly we do under Women Empowerment Center is that we train the ladies or young girls from the villages, nearby villages under our area, and we provide them with professional courses. In the sense that if they want to learn stitching, then we give them an entire 6 months of tutorial about stitching so that they can start their own venture. Then there is something called knitting also. As you can see, the stuff here, this is all machine knitted by them. So we train them in that also. Now what we have done, since apricot is the main produce of this area and we are very famous, the entire district of Kargil is very famous for apricot. So we came up with the idea that why not come out with apricot products. We also have a small unit at Kargil, not only at Kumbatham, we have a small unit at Kargil, and adjacent to me that you see, we have a VTC at Dras also, where ladies of Dras are hand knitting and also machine knitting, and they are stitching also.
So, ma'am, do you think that Indian Army has a great role to play when it comes to
It is all by the Indian Army, and we are training them, teaching them, and we are telling them how to start their own venture, how to survive in the market, and how to have a life skill and have a career. You know, when we teach these young girls or the ladies who come to us and they say ki we really want to do something and we really want to learn something, and when they come up with certificates that they've finally finished the course, and the sparkle and the twinkle that I see in their eyes, and the satisfaction that we've taught them a life skill, I think I can't be more prouder.
they're even earning out of it?
They're earning out of it, and they're earning quite well. They're quite well, because for every product, like for example the energy bar that we have, for every energy bar that they make, we give them a token of money for that, and it's a good amount of money that they're getting. So per product we are paying them.
बाकी शिक्षा के लहजे से भी सुनिए यहाँ की स्थानीय लद्दाखी महिला का विकास को लेकर क्या कहना है।
अच्छा, जैसे पढ़ाई की बात है और कहते हैं कि लड़कियों को भी आगे बढ़ाने में सरकार है, राज्य है, काफ़ी मदद करती है, तो आपने कुछ उसमें देखा है फ़र्क?
हाँ, आजकल की लड़कियां तो अच्छी पढ़ती हैं, ज़्यादा लड़के से भी ज़्यादा लड़कियां पढ़ती हैं। पढ़ाई में ज़्यादा लड़कियां तेज हैं।
अपने आसपास आपने देखा हो?
हाँ मैम, आजकल की लड़कियां ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह पढ़ती हैं। पहले हम खुद इतना नहीं पढ़ते थे, थोड़ा 10 से 4 पढ़ाई करते, उसके बाद खेती बाड़ी में चलते थे माइयों के साथ, अपनी भाई बहनों के साथ। आजकल तो पूरा पढ़ाई में रहते हैं।